This is a slow motion car crash coming your way. The government is pouring 118 billion pounds of your taxpayer money into the pockets of these companies. Heat pumps simply don't work in our housing stock. What you just saw was the viral rant from one of the most influential figures in the UK Havoc community, local Fifi from the Scale Builder channel. His brutal takedown of heat pump policy racked up millions of views, setting shockwaves through the European supply chain. He claimed running a heat pump in all houses make electric bills cheaper while leaving users freezing. To many, he exposed a massive industry scam. This video don't just rock the UK, it went viral across manufacturing circles here in China. As a factory owner running 3 specialized manufacturing facilities with over $100 million in annual exports, standing here in 2026. Let me tell you the absolute truth. Logo was 100% right. The winter of 2026 has just passed, and a massive wave of equipment values from low tariffs subsidized the hardware is sweeping Europe, exactly as he predicted. However, as a manufacturer at the very source of this industry, I must take you beyond Roger's anger to detect a total industry secret that everyone else have overlooked. The root cause of this $1 trillion car crash isn't the thermal technology itself. It is the catastrophic disaster caused by low-end assembly shops systemically cheating the market. Many viewers who watched the Scale Builder's video concluded that ASOS heat pumps simply do not work in all houses as a manufacturer. I must correct this massive misconception. The culprit behind the triple electricity bills isn't the technology. It's the systematic cheating by low-end assembly shops. The Scale Builder exposed a total industry secret. Many units can hit anti-national water temperatures natively, so the secretary trigger internal electricity immersion heaters. Well, this is the thermodynamic limitation of cheap single-stage compressors. To win price wars, low-tier assemblers skip smart algorithms and use low-cost setups. When the temperature drops, the COP collapses, forcing the system to rely entirely on electrical resistance heating. They pocket green subsidies while stuffing the equipment with outdated power-hungry technology. This is why overseas B2B reputations are being ruined. Furthermore, Scale Builder pointed out a fatal issue that still haunts installers today. Fan noise. He mentioned units starting with poor quiet but getting louder over time, triggering neighbor complaints and forcing installers to move units into shady corners, which completely crippled their performance. That logic was spot on for 2024, but here in 2026, our factory solutions have gone far beyond simple band-aid fixes. Why do fans and compressors get noisy? Because those assemblers fail to perform full life cycle mechanical resonance analysis. And every time we reject the weird proprietary custom components, instead we source highly standard half-tire industrial parts that are rarely available in any market, and manage them with our core control software to keep superheat errors with 1 degree Celsius. By leveraging precise software control to offset non-hardware wear, the fan always operates within its sweet spot, guaranteeing factory-level silence even after 5 to 10 years. In 2026, the updated EU F-gas regulations are fully enforced, and illegal high GWP refrigerants are facing aggressive clampdowns by customers and prosecutors, loyalty of assembly shops that survived on cheap illicit gases back in 2024 and are now facing severe quota shortages and non-shutdowns. This is exactly where elite manufacturing heavyweights shine. Our 3 manufacturing facilities completed our future-proof production upgrades now ago to solve the leaky hose dilemma with fast fuel. Our cascading inverter technology operates in minus 25 degrees Celsius windows with absolutely zero electric resistance backup. Driven by dual independent refrigerant loops, it delivers 118 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 82 degrees Celsius ultra high temperature hydraulic water natively. Installers don't need to rip up walls for floor heating. They simply hook into existing cast iron radiators, delivering a flawless 8% energy bill reduction. We use legally compliant natural refrigerants and superior engineering to end that auto slow motion car crash. The global highway market in 2026 proves that the wild west era of ready cheap subsidies is officially dead. The multi-billion-dollar clean energy transition only belongs to digital large-scale manufacturers with bulletproof technical moats and 100% compliant supply chain. If you are looking for a tier 1 OEM or ODM partner to conquer the sub-zero frost zone and deliver verified ROI, Heatpump is your ultimate shield.